No matter what anyone tells you, there is no free lunch when it comes to earning money, whether that's online or anywhere else. Trust me, ignore the get-rich-quick schemes, they hardly ever exist as advertised. The internet has, however, made life a lot easier, whether you're just trying to supplement your income or whether you're the budding entrepreneur looking to buy that Lambo. This video covers all my favorites that will hopefully help you to understand how awesome the internet really is for making money while traveling. So, let's get started. 1. Make online courses. If you have a special interest, skill set or professionalism in a topic, then you could make an online course. The online learning platform Udemy now has over 100,000 courses, and the top instructors or teachers are earning thousands of pounds selling their courses. It's an excellent way to make money online. You can post courses on Udemy for free, but if you want to sell your courses, then it is necessary to become a premium user. As a premium user, you can set the price of your course and then Udemy takes a percentage of the sales you make. A lesser known and upcoming online course provider is BitDegree. They operate in a similar way to Udemy, but you can pay for the courses, or get paid if you're an instructor, in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum as well as normal currency. 2. Write essays. Stressed and overworked students all around the country often turn to essay writing services to offer them guidance and help when completing their essays. If you're educated to degree level, then why not apply to become a freelance essay writer in your specialist subject? There are now a number of websites that you can sign up to in order to offer your writing services. For as little as 10 days work a month, writing 2,000 words per day, you can earn well in excess of $1,000 per month. Perhaps ideal if you're a postgraduate student looking for work but want some passive income in the meantime. Here are a few websites that offer such services, and they are always looking for new writers, paper fellows, and grade minors. 3. Start a YouTube channel. YouTube is an incredible place to make big sums of money if you can launch a popular channel. YouTube pays its content makers by how many viewers watch their videos. If you can create a popular channel and attract lots of subscribers, once you reach 1,000 subscribers, you can then join YouTube's partner program, which allows you to run adverts on your videos and get paid for the amount of views you get. YouTube pays out a few dollars for every 1,000 views your videos get. Whilst this may sound like a small amount, if you can get, say, 100,000 views over 50 videos, then it soon adds up to much larger sums. The popular YouTube content creator, Logan Paul, made $14.5 million in 2018 alone. You want to ensure you have a niche area to cover, but not too niche, or you will struggle to create a big enough fan base to get the requisite views to make money. Electronic gadgets, video games, nutrition and comedy pranks are some of the biggest hitters. 4. Make and sell arts and crafts. The arts and crafts market is now enormous. In fact, in 2017, the value of the American market was said to be over $40 billion. If you have a talent for making arts and crafts, there's now a wide variety of places where you can sell your handiwork to make money online. There is a huge demand for handmade crafts for things like weddings, birthdays, Christmas, and for home, garden decoration, so you'll be happy to know there is a wide audience out there to buy your work. The biggest arts and crafts shop to sell your goods on is Etsy. They are fairly cheap to sell on too, with a listing fee of 20 cents and then a 5% transaction fee. Some other worthy mentions are Missy, Folksy, and Zibbet. 5. Crowdsourcing. Crowdsourcing is a method whereby companies can engage the services of a wide number of people on the internet to get a big job done. This normally involves tasks like product testing, filling in surveys, translation, data entry, form filling, and search engine optimization. When you've completed the task, you'll be paid a fee directly into your PayPal account. Most of the work you'll be doing will be quite tedious, so it's probably best to swerve this one if you like exercising the old grey matter. However, if you are good at your ability to concentrate, you'll do just fine. Here's a list of my favorite crowdsourcing opportunities. Clickworker, Amazon Mechanical Turk, and Micro Workers. 6. Sell photographs online. If you're a photographer, either professional or amateur, the internet is now a great marketplace to sell your snaps. With the amount of people now blogging, making websites and designing, there's a massive online demand for unique photographs for people to use in their projects. There's a huge demand for all sorts of photographs such as nature, people, food, travel, sports and everything in between. Here are my top 5 places to sell your photographs online. Adobe Stock, Shutterstock, Alamy, Crestock, Getty Images. 7. Write ebooks. If you're half decent at writing, then why not make extra cash on the web by writing ebooks? Guides on how to do things are often a good start if you're thinking of what to write about. People using the internet are, most of the time, looking for information on how they can do something, whether that's working out how to use the smartphone, learning how to fix their car or how to get their baby to sleep. Since the arrival of Kindle, ebooks are definitely worth trying to make extra dough on the side. You can sell ebooks in a variety of places including Amazon Kindle, your own website or blog, Blurb, TradeBit or eBay. Which of the above tips you want to see more in detail, comment that down below and make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. See you around.